Hello everyone, how are you all? Thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Today in this video we are going to discuss how we can find our results of having multiple criteria and this data. Now by viewing this worksheet you can see that I have a requirement how many employees who have job ranking 1 and having service period more than 1 and their job status is permanent. Now, by for and this requirement, we can try this count if how many members who have current job status permanent and having their job ranking 1 and more work job service period is more than 1 year. Now, by typing this count if s, now you can see this criteria range 1, then criteria 1, and so on. This formula is very powerful. We can type 31 criteria to required as per your requirement to populate your required information. Now in this I have my requirement that my criteria range is column H, then criteria 1 is permanent. How many permanent employees? This is my first criteria. Now second criteria is criteria range who have job ranking in 1. Then criteria range 3. Criteria range 3 is my service is having more than 1. Now for English type double column greater than 1 column, close this bracket, pressing enter. There are 4 members who are permanent, having status permanent and job ranking 1 and worked in company more than 1 year in contractual, semi-contractual, so on. Now in the second formula, if we have a criteria how many salaries these members have, so for this we will type sum f. Now in this sum f formula we can say this first we have a sum range. So for the sum range, we in start we will type sum range like this, comma. Now having permanent employees, how many salary having permanent employees, then their job ranking is permanent. Job ranking is 1 and service years is greater than 1 and having their status is permanent. By pressing enter you can find out the sum salary, and by pasting this you can say this as per having salaries of permanent employees, contractual employees, semi-contractual employees by fulfilling all these my requirements. Now in the same third formula, how many average salary these employees have. Now this is my average range. By pressing it down you can see this all having contractual members who are fulfilling their requirements, service years is greater than 1 and job ranking is 1, their average salary is 57,000 and in permanent and in semi-permanent and hourly. This is by fulfilling all your requirements you can calculate average, you can calculate sum and count by using if function. Thanks for watching this video.